Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. So today we are going to talk about SBI Clerk 2021. As many of you wants the same video in English language, that's why I am uploading this content. It will be same as Hindi. So if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can check out that video, and if you are comfortable in English, then you can see and go through this video. Let's start. Before starting, I would request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get new updates and notification of all videos. So your first question is, when SBI Clerk 2021 will be out? It's unknown to everyone, but as per previous year data, we can assume that we all have seen that in 2020 SBI Clerk notification was out on 2nd January 2020, right? But in 2021 all the things will not be as same as previous year, so we can expect this vacancy in February or March. Why? Because just few days ago SBI have released their mains result and all process are still under process, so we can expect this vacancy in February and March, right? In how many days preparation will complete? Sorry for the voice, I'm not feeling well due to weather pressure, so hope you will adjust. So your next question is, in how many days preparation will complete? If you are dedicated, dedication matters, right? If you are dedicated, then you can complete in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months, in years and many years, right? But if you have dedication, you can dedicate your 8 to 10 hours a day, then you can complete it within 2 to 3 months, right? Next, should I wait for notification or start today? Just answer me one question. If someone is saying you have 2 months, right? If you have 2 months to get any job or get any reward, then when will you start your preparation? By announcing exact date or by starting your preparation today? I must say, serious candidate will start their preparation from today. All serious student will start their preparation today. And if you are late, many of students are continuing their preparation after facing failure in 2020 results. So why are we waiting? If you are waiting, then you are just pushing yourself back, right? In how to qualify SBI clerk in first attempt? By preparing well. If you are thinking that you have to qualify your SBI clerk in 2021 in first attempt, what you have to do? You have to do, first, just complete your syllabus. What are the syllabus? You can check it out in previous year notification. You will know the syllabus. What are the syllabus of SBI clerk, preliminary and mains? You have to complete your syllabus. How? First of all, you have to complete your basic. Don't jump on any trick and short trick. Just clear your basic. You can create your own basic. How to create my basic and how to complete my syllabus? Just start. We all know there are 2 phases in SBI clerk: prelims and mains. There is no interview and descriptive writing in SBI clerk. So what preliminary consist? It consists English, reasoning and quantitative aptitude. ठीक है, right? Next, mains. What does main contain? It contain English, DI or DS or DA. It's nothing else but quants, right? Advanced level of quants, or you can say, if you are saying calculation and percentage only and few arithmetic portion in prelims, you will see maximum portion of arithmetic in this section in mains, right? Then again reasoning will be the same. And only difference will be, sorry for background noise, and only the difference will be the statement and conclusion, right? I have not written here, just if you are listening the same, you can get my point. And the major role changing, or you can say game changer, will be current affairs. Current affairs. These are the 4 sections of mains examination for SBI clerk mains. What's the final procedure? If you have qualified your mains, means if you have crossed your cutoff in mains examination, then you will have to face document verification and language proficiency test. If you are qualified in these two, then you will get your SBI clerk job. ठीक है? So these are the syllabus, and from where we can complete our syllabus and from where we can cover our syllabus. First of all, coming to English, you must have habit of reading. Habit of reading. Habit of reading. If you are habitual to reading, then you don't need anything else. Reading habit can improve your vocabulary, improve your grammar, improve your RC, help you in solving RC questions. So only reading can improve your English. So don't think that which book you should buy to improve your English. If you are habitual of reading English, then you need nothing more, right? Coming to the next section, which is quants. What should we do? If you are very new to this preparation, then you should try RS Agrawal to prepare your base, right? If you are switching to any crash course, any target course, or anything else, like many website and many educators are providing, you will be in a trap from the very first day. So what you have to do, I will not say you should, right? You should prepare your base from RS Agrawal. Then if you feel that I know the basic, then you can switch, or you can follow any educator or any tutor available on websites and YouTubes. You can follow them to improve, enhance, polish your basics, so you can solve all these questions asked in examination in few minutes, right? But if you have basic, you will never forget any question, you will never forget how to solve any question, right? But if you will think that I will all do from any trick, then you must remember that what will be the result if you forget the trick in the examination. You will face the failure again and again and again. But if you have basic, then if you forget your tricks, then you can solve the question by your basic concepts, right? If you have solved RS Agrawal, then want to switch to any new book or any advanced book, then you can follow Quantum Cat by Sarvesh K. Verma. This book will be more than enough for your banking preparation from clerk level to PO level, right? SBI PO level also. Coming to the next section, which is reasoning. Reasoning, how to complete this? If you are thinking that which book I should buy to prepare my reasoning, I will say no book required. No any book required, right? Then how will complete my reasoning section? What you have to do, if you are interested or if you can buy any mock test from various website, you can buy any mock test. I have already made a video on the same, you can go and check out that video. You can buy, or you should buy 2 mocks at least, right? Why 2 mock tests? Just because if any mock test you are thinking that it's not up to level, or if you are facing lack of questions, then you can buy 2 mocks, so that you should be ready for level of questions asked in both mocks, right? If I'm not interested to buy any mock, then what's the solution? You can install apps for practice. Which app I should install? Just a minute, I'm providing you all things. Which app I should install? You can install GradeUp, Adda 247, Textbook, and TestZone, which is also known as a Smart Kira, right? How to practice from all these apps? All these apps are providing daily quiz of all the sections. So what if you don't want to buy any mock? Install all these apps, or any app you are comfortable with. You can install these apps and attempt all the quizzes they are providing daily. how to attempt if I don't know how to solve any reasoning question? Just a minute. What you have to do, submit the quiz and check the answer how they are solving the questions they have asked in quiz, right? But if you are not again comfortable with this quiz and apps, what you can do, just Google practice questions for SBI clerk, ठीक है? Just reasoning practice question, ठीक है? Reasoning practice question for SBI clerk from basic with answer, ठीक है? With answer. If you Google this, you will be getting many or loads of PDFs already available on various websites. You can just download that and solve according to their solution. The only way to learn how to solve reasoning is practice. If you are practicing more and more questions, then you can solve more question in less time, right? Now this is all about preliminary. What about mains? There is nothing huge change in mains. All the subjects are same in mains, but what differ the main is level. If you are facing a easy level question in preliminary, the mains will ask you advanced level, right? There is nothing difference, but only subject is different in mains is current affairs. And if you want to crack your examination or get result and success in SBI clerk 2021, the only way you can get is by improving your English and by reading current affairs on daily basis. What if I could not qualify my preliminary examination, then why should I read current affairs? Just think again if you are asking the same question. But what if you qualify the preliminary and you won't get much time to prepare your current affairs? Then you will be facing failure in mains, and failure in mains hurt more than failure in preliminary, right? So what you have to do, you have to read daily current affairs from any trusted website. Or if you ask me, I will recommend you that you should read daily current affairs from affairs cloud, right? What if I read all the current affairs and forget the very next day? You have to attempt quizzes of the same from various website or from various app, you can say various apps. Will all these things be sufficient to qualify as SBI clerk means? As per me, 1000% guaranteed you will qualify your SBI clerk 2021 in very first attempt. So all these are the remedy and process to qualify your SBI clerk 2021 in first attempt. And if you have any further question, you can ask me in comment box. I hope you like the video. If you liked it, just thumbs up and share with your friends so that they can get benefit of this video too. And all the videos will be definitely helpful for you all in SBI clerk 2021. I will be starting very soon some basic topics and basics of quantitative aptitude for SBI clerk means 2021. So stay tuned and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for new notification. See you soon in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.